Dr. Zakir, another of the categories you mentioned that Muslims encouraged to fast throughout the year is the Ayam al-Bid, which you've mentioned, 13th, 14th and 15th, the middle portion of each lunar month. Could you explain the significance of those days, please?
Ayam al-Bid are the days of the full moon, and that is the 13th, 14th and 15th of every lunar month. And the beloved Prophet ﷺ said, it's mentioned in Sunan Nasai, Book of Fasting, Hadith number 2424, that the beloved Prophet ﷺ said that you should fast 3 days every month, and that would be equal to as though you have fasted for the full year. And the other hadith of Sahih Bukhari, volume number 3, Book of Fasting, hadith number 1975 says that when you fast for 3 days every month for the full year, it is as though you have fasted for the full year, because every deed gets multiplied by 10 times. So if you fast 3 days every month, it's equal to full month. And if you fast 3 days every month, it becomes the full year. So that's the reason the Prophet ﷺ said, fast 3 days every month, so that as though you have fasted for the full year. And if you fast every year of your life, 3 days every month, it is as though you have fasted for the full life. So that is the reason why Muhammad ﷺ said, fast during the Ayyamul Bid.